Hello everyone, we're back making vlogs again. It's been like over a month we haven't made any vlog. Now the sole reason because of that is I was organizing my entire company and I had like a lot of work to do. So we're back and for today we're going to cover Kusum Roll. Kusum Roll is one of the most popular places to get rolls in Kolkata. Okay, it's a very old shop, but right now the shop is inside Karnani Mansion. So we'll show you where the shop is located and how to find it. And right now that shop is going to close down on the 1st of January and they've opened out a new outlet on the main road of Park Street near Park Hotel. So we're going to go to the old Kusum Rolls and we're also going to give you a tour of the new Kusum Rolls. And we're going to taste the roll in both the shop and we're going to let you know how is it. So Karnani Mansion, the entrance of Karnani Mansion, there's two entrances. One is west side next to Peter Room. Okay, and this is the gate of Karnani Mansion. You need to enter this gate and you need to go through it. So this is Karnani Mansion. The inside is a residential area. There's these buildings actually, there's a school here called Harrow Hall and people stay in the residential areas and then on the ground floor you have kitchens of restaurants like Peter Road and the Campo and we'll be taking right. This entire big building that you see is Harrow Hall, which is cool. And on the ground floor they have a lot of shops. Printout shops, forex shops. So we're approaching Kusum Rolls right now, and as you see, that's the other gate opposite to Kusum Rolls. Since 1971, it completed its 50th birthday. On 2021. Yeah, it completed its 50th birthday on 2021. So that's Louis on that side. And if we cross the road and we walk straight towards the Maidan, towards the Park Street metro station, you'll see this gate. And this is the Park Street entrance. If you walk ahead, you'll find the new Kusum Roll shop. We'll come to that in a while. So first we'll buy rolls from the old Kusum Roll shop that's here from 1971. So that's what Kusum Roll has to offer. The prices have increased by around 5 rupees or so since last time. It's 60 rupees, now 65. So I don't know what's the price in the new Kusum Roll shop, so we'll go and see if the prices are same there also. We'll take a chicken roll from this shop and then I will take another chicken roll from the new Kusum Roll shop. We'll see if the taste is the same, the prices are the same. So for a very long time we had a rough time because we don't carry cash and whenever we came, we had to take out money from the ATM and we had to come here because they only accepted cash. Now they've started accepting digital payments and UPI. You can pay them through PhonePe, you can scan the QR code and you can pay them. So that's a good thing. We're going to have Kusum Rolls every day. Got a chicken roll from Kusum Roll. This is the old shop that's there since 1971. Now we're going to the new shop. Yes. It's just a 20-second walk from the gate of they have so let's have a look at the menu first. Okay. So we are at the new Kusum Roll and This is the menu that they have for rolls. They've also introduced a menu for sandwiches. They started selling grilled sandwiches here. So this is something new. The prices of the rolls are the same as the old outlet. The chicken roll at this outlet is also 65. So we'll try sandwiches some other day. I'm going to order another chicken roll from this outlet and see how it is. So I've ordered a chicken roll from this outlet, and even this outlet has phone pay, so I'm going to pay them for phone pay only. UPI. भाई एक चिकन हो फोन पे हो जाएगा ना 65. So we've got one roll from the old Kusum outlet and one roll from the new Kusum outlet. We're going to go to a quiet place where there's not much people, an empty place, and we're going to try out these rolls. We're going to let you know how it is. If it's the same, if it's not the same, we'll let you know. We're going to eat and we'll let you know. Back inside Karnani Mansions because it's empty here and we can eat our rolls. The old Kusum roll, the new Kusum roll, the butter chicken. So we're going to eat it and we're going to tell you how it is. The old Kusum roll, the new Kusum roll is with Andrea. First we're going to try it and then we're going to interchange it and see if the taste is the same.
It's good, obviously.
When you eat roll, if it's just good, it can only be from one place. It can only be from Kusum rolls.
Now give me that.
It has a little mustard flavor in it today. Also, we bunked the gym today. The new Kusum roll.
Both are equally good.
Surprisingly, they're both the same. Even this has a little tinge of mustard. I don't know what you've done to it, but it tastes a little bit of mustard oil. No?
It's good to me.
Yeah, they're both the same. You won't be able to tell the difference.
Okay, now give me my roll back.
You don't have the new Kusum roll.
Yeah.
I stick to the old one. They're actually both the same. Anyway, the next thing we're going to show you is sandwiches from Kusum roll. Next time when we bunk the gym, this is where we're coming. Kusum roll sandwiches. Also, usually after we complete the gym, we take a long walk to Newmarket. There's a famous sandwich shop at Fee School Street. I didn't know they sell sandwiches here. So we're going to cover Kusum roll selling sandwiches one day. Probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and we'll make a new video on that. So we'll end this video here. Go try out Kusum rolls. It's very nice. See you till next time. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel as always. All my videos are only going to come on Saturdays and Sundays because I have a very busy schedule from Monday to Friday, including the gym. Okay, so I've joined the gym. We'll probably make a video on that also. And yeah, that's about it. New videos every Saturday and Sunday. And it's going to be interesting also. We're going to bring new stuff. We're going to make new content. And actually, you know what? Cut this bullshit.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.
Bye.